want to practice loading your firearm before you go out hunting. That way, when the monster buck emerges from the bush, you'll be ready to load your firearm quickly and efficiently, ready to take it down when the moment arrives.
Loading procedures will vary depending on the type of firearm you have, but generally, you can follow these steps to safely load your firearm. First, point the muzzle in a safe direction. Your next step is to make sure that there's no ammo in the firearm or obstructions in the barrel. Then, you should turn on the safety, if you can load it with the safety activated. Next, check that your ammunition is correct by matching the data stamp on the firearm to the head stamp on the ammo. Now you're ready to load the ammunition according to the type of firearm you're using. For single-shot firearms, place the ammunition directly in the chamber and then close the action. For lever-action firearms with a tubular magazine, make sure the action is closed. Load the magazine and then cycle the action to load a round from the magazine to the chamber. For firearms with a removable box magazine, insert the magazine into the firearm and close the action to load the chamber. For firearms with a non-removable box magazine, load the ammunition directly into the magazine and then close the action to load the chamber. Once loaded, your gun will be ready to fire, so you better be too.